Hi everyone. So Dr. Chaitanya, Priyanka, and myself, after this 8 week of enduring learning and teaching, we finally come to the end of this course. So Priyanka, could you share your thoughts about how you feel about how the course went and take it further?
Yeah, I think it was a very exciting learning opportunity even for us because I think there was so much research that we did for this particular course. And I think we worked so wonderfully well as a team.
Yes.
That was extremely very nice. And there was so much to learn from each other and helping each other, to develop this particular course. And we've come up with such creative ways, to teach.
Right.
And literally, I think that is one thing which really stands
Yeah.
out for me to a very
Yeah,
large
right.
extent.
Especially the use of dolls to portray and depict, right? And making understanding so clearer, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I really feel I've learned so much with also from both of you in terms of what was brought and just the way we also weaved in keeping the group in mind as to it's going to be a vast audience who's going to take the course, right?
Yes.
So and I think each of us really brought in what could be how do we go beyond sport, like we had
Right.
said in the introduction, right? Like how can it be applicable, and like the reflection, so please pay attention to it, and I think it would be wonderful also to receive feedback,
Yes.
which I'm hoping is going to be positive, very positive.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
And we would definitely like to thank everybody, involved in this particular course. I think without
Yes.
support and guidance, it would be very difficult to embark on this journey. So we have many people to thank, right?
Yes.
I know. We have a
Yes,
lot.
I think starting from the mentors at NPTEL, the recording, those who
Through,
supported
yeah.
us through and through with the recording and editing, and bringing the whole course together.
Right.
And I think you people who are taking it, most importantly as well, because I think that's how the course becomes enriching, and
Right.
the aim is really to spread out the message, and yeah, India is really emerging as a sporting
Yeah.
power. Asian Games, we've done so well, we've crossed the
Right.
100 mark,
Right.
and let's really keep our fingers crossed, and the more people can gain and understand,
Yeah.
India is going to grow.
Yeah.
So
Because this
yeah,
is not just a course, right?
Exactly.
We have tried to bring in so many things to make it as practical and as applicable as it can be. So,
Yeah.
even a person who's just a sports enthusiast also will, benefit hugely from this course.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And moreover, I think we want to thank all the coaches, the athletes,
Right.
who've come in and
Yeah.
given
Resource
their,
people.
And all
Yeah.
the
all the
experts who have
resources.
helped us.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. A huge shout out to all the resource personnel.
Yes.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
And I think all our institutions also who have really supported us, respectively in
Yeah.
conducting this course.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah,
Yes,
we want to thank all of them.
Yeah. So we have thoroughly enjoyed working on this course, and I hope you also enjoy doing this course.
Yes, and apply, what you picked up. Start with something small,
Right.
right? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So that's really our
Yeah.
hope and aim. And
Yeah. Okay.
we can.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much.